If you're looking for a custom-built home on the west side of Dothan, this is your opportunity. It was built in 2023, so it's like new, out here off of Brandon Stand Road in the Willow Creek development. What a great backyard we're standing in. It's fenced in, saltwater pool, outdoor shower, generator, built-in storm shelter, and so much more. Come inside and let's see it. Standing in the living room, this home has 9 and 10 foot ceilings throughout with crown molding, gas fireplace, wood floors throughout the entire home, marble and tile in the bathrooms, custom blinds, and so much more. They thought of so many things in this home. In the kitchen, you've got soft closed drawers, you got a Frigidaire professional range, pretty marble countertops, and ample counter space. They did a great job designing this kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful property. I'm David Ridley with eXp Realty.